Hello everyone, welcome back to Good Droid Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix the Overwatch 2 is having black screen issue after creating or logging with Battlenet account. After making the Battlenet account, many users is having an issue with the black screen issue. So if we ask me the question how to fix this, the only one solution which is working for many of the users is all you have to do is, if you're having this black screen, what you need to do is just need to press escape from the keyboard. You have to press escape from the keyboard. So once you press escape from the keyboard, the black screen issue will be fixed. And because for many of the users, even in the Reddit, this particular step did work for many users, so you can try this out. So after login with Overwatch 2 black screen issue, after creating or logging with your Battlenet account, if you're having a black screen, you just need to press the escape. Or you can go over here in the screen, or you can use, let me show you what you need to do. Just you have to press escape from the keyboard. Okay, I'm demonstrating with you because I can't show you this the keys from the keyboard. So I'm going to show you, just press escape when you're having black screen, and once escape is done, most probably the issue will completely fixed. Next one is all about, you have to press Windows and D together, which means you have to minimize this one. So once after that, the issue will be worked for many users as well. We can try with this as well. So most probably when you try with the escape key from the keyboard, the issue will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.